a message. Oh boy.
Spence, I am hoping that you have a solution for me or a suggestion. I am looking for a new way to incorporate Aperol into some sort of delicious cocktail. I love the Aperol Spritz, old classic, standby, European favorite. Let me know if you have any other suggestions. I am sure it would be delicious. Thank you.
Aperol. Aperol is fun. It's fun because if you have a bottle of Campari and a bottle of Aperol, you can kind of play tradesies with them because they're kind of interchangeable for the most part. Different flavors, but still they fill a similar box. You can also make a paper plane with it, which we did already. You might have remember Aperol. Oh, here's the product, by the way, Aperol. You can make a Negroni with it. I actually thought about making a Negroni for you today, but it's a pretty straightforward drink. The Negroni is equal parts Aperol, gin, and sweet vermouth. Or you could do Campari, gin, sweet vermouth. Same, slightly different flavors. But I was thinking, I don't think that I'd had a martini with Aperol. Let's make an Aperol Martini. In our shaker full of ice, please to pour 2 ounces. I like Beefeater because it's nice and dry and sharp, clean. Beefeater. 1 ounce of Aperol. And just a splash of fresh lemon juice. Splash. Let us stir. Cold enough. And then we'll strain it into a martini glass. Here we go. I knew the color was going to be awesome. And then we'll garnish it with a lemon twist. Cut off a nice wide swath. Express those oils. Express yourself. Let's see how this goes. It's real good. It's real good. I'm a martini guy myself. I'm a gin guy. I don't like a lot of stuff in my martini. I don't like things that are too sweet. But just that little bit of Aperol gives it that bright fruitiness that Aperol brings to the table. It is a fruity liqueur, citrusy. There's rhubarb in there. And then, yeah, gin, of course, speaks for itself, but having that little splash of lemon juice really tarts it up nice. This is a refreshing cocktail. This is something that I'm gonna make for my wife, and she will say, I shall marry you again because you have done a good job and you are a good husband for me to have. This is a good drink. I think you'll enjoy it. This is an Aperol Martini, and this has been Happy Hour. You can learn more about this cocktail and many other cocktails by visiting mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone, which is a smart idea because it's a wealth of information. What to get, where to get it, and what to do with it when you do get it. You can also follow them on Instagram at main_spirits. And as always, we beg you, plead with you, please drink deliciously and responsibly.